Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to look at a very useful feature in EasyEDA, how to update components. During the design process, you might modify components in your project library. For example, you may update the footprint, change the pin configuration, or replace it with a new component model. However, sometimes the components in your schematic or PCB don't automatically sync with those changes, so you'll need to update them manually. The process is very simple. First, open your schematic or PCB file in the editor. Then go to the top menu bar and click Design. In the drop-down menu, find and click Update Project Library. This ensures that your design is using the latest component date and helps prevent issues like mismatched footprints or outdated component versions. This feature is especially important after you modify components in your project library, as it helps you quickly sync all related designs and improve your workflow efficiency. That's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.